Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a super cute Christmas animations using the Santa Square animation swap effect. This effect will turn your photo into a fun animated versions of yourself, surrounded by adorable mini Santa characters that are perfect for Christmas video, Christmas stories, and maybe festive social media posts. And then in here we will be using PixVerse. It's totally beginner friendly and it even gives you a free daily credit so you can generate animations without paying anything. Okay, let's get started. First, just open PixVerse. You can use it directly on the website, or if you prefer using your phone, just download the PixVerse app from the Play Store and then just log in using your Google account. It's super quick and simple. And then don't worry about the credit. PixVerse will give free credits every single day, so even if you are completely new, you can generate your Christmas animations without spending anything. Okay, next let's find the effect that we want. Just go to template sections, this one, and then just go to tab that called Made by CPP, this one. Just tap on it, and then just scroll down until you find the effect that called Santa Squad, this one. Just tap on it, and then just use template. And then next, just choose your photo, just choose your picture, make sure your face is clear, and then well lit, and then looking forward for the best results. And then next, when you're done selected the photo, just tap on create. It will take 20 credits, just tap on it. And then go back, and then go to mine, and then wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. In just a few moments, your clip will appear like this. You will see your photo transform into cute animations like this with cute mini Santa characters dancing and moving around you like this. It's so cute. It's super cute. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.